Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 373. The title of today's lesson is when to capitalize the word earth and when not to capitalize the word earth. Yeah, this one can be tricky. I know students of ESL are confused about it, and even native speakers sometimes get confused about when they should capitalize the word earth and when not to. Anyway, let's take a look at the note here. All names of planets are capitalized when the word Earth refers to the planet and it's used as the planet's name or its proper name. It is definitely capitalized. So it's capitalized in that situation. The word is definitely not capitalized when the word Earth refers to dirt or soil. Okay. It is also not capitalized when it is a common noun and preceded means coming before, by the. In this case, it is not really used like as its name. Okay, so let's look at a number of examples here. Number one, she answered, Earth was the third planet from the sun. Yeah, so this is probably a situation where maybe a student was asked, what is the third planet from the sun? And she answered, Earth is the third planet from the sun. So in this case, Earth is definitely capitalized. It's referring to the planet and it's referring to its name. All right, number two, do you think any aliens ever traveled to Earth? Definitely the planet, definitely its proper name. Yeah, it would be capitalized here. All right, number three. Halley's Comet passes Earth every 75 to 76 years. Yeah, again, definitely the planet, definitely referring to its name, the name of the planet. All right, number four here. How far do they need to dig into the Earth? All right, now in this case, it's not the planet. It's really referring to like dirt or soil or land. In that case, it's not capitalized. So it has a small e here. Number five, he was buried under the earth when that mine collapsed. Yeah, again, this means dirt or land. He was in a mine, it collapsed on top of him. This really doesn't refer to the planet. It would be weird if it was the planet. It sounds like the whole planet was sitting on top of him. So in this case, it's definitely not capitalized. Okay, number six, that earthquake caused the earth to shake. All right. Again, it's really referring to just the land. Even when there are earthquakes, the entire world or the entire planet is not shaking. Only a small part of it, in maybe one little area of one country, is the earth actually shaking. So it's really just referring to land or surface or dirt here. So it's definitely not capitalized there. Again, like I said, sometimes native speakers mess up on this too. I recently covered an article that was actually written by a native speaker, and they had a line in it, and they said, I want to spend more time with the earth, and then they capitalized earth, which really seems strange, because if you capitalize, it really means the planet. So you want to spend more time with the planet? But do you spend time away from the planet? Do you spend time on other planets? So it really didn't make much sense. In this case, she probably should have avoided the word earth here. The more proper way for her to write that sentence probably would have been, I want to spend more time in nature. Because I know that's, from reading the article, that's probably what she actually meant. But still, even a native speaker sometimes messes it up. All right, and one more little point here. In phrases such as, what on earth, because we always say, like, what on earth are you doing? We don't capitalize the word earth. And the four corners of the earth, no, the word earth does not get capitalized. It's not really referring to it as its proper name, so it doesn't get capitalized in these situations. And probably most other, if you can think of other phrases with the word earth in it, probably not. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. Hope it was clear. Hope it was informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.